In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm improving onto my last video on how to fix a muddy chicken coop by adding dirt along the sides to help divert the water around the coop. This dirt ended up here after clearing out land for a pole barn and regrading the yard, and it worked really well keeping the water out, but we are still getting water into here a little bit, getting it wet, washing a little bit of it out. So since this works so well, I'm going to go along and put it along the front here and along the side. And since we can't put it in front of the door, we're going to put a piece of wood or plastic or metal, something along there to just keep that section in as well. It should work really well, and in theory, if you want to just go all dirt, you could just build up a solid base on the inside, not really have to do much along the outside, as long as you use a hard dirt, like a fill dirt, not a topsoil. But the chickens do enjoy digging this up. They like the way it settles, they like the way it hardens, they can dig it up, they can take dust baths, and they can do different things that they couldn't do with the hard clay fill dirt. So we're gonna leave this in there since they enjoy it. They still kick it out, you have to add a little bit here and there, but it works really well, they love it, and it seems to be the best option. Now that we have it built up on the inside and a dirt well built up around the outside, all the water coming down the hill should easily divert around the coop and have a clear path to run off to the stream, which will take the water back to the creek. That should take care of this problem. I think we should be good for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, or at least helped you out. If it did, please like this video, comment to let me know, share it with someone else to help them out, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.